Welcome back. Find the coefficient of x raised to 6, y raised to 3 in the expansion of 2x squared minus 3y raised to 6. As you can see, I pasted here the formula b raised to r always. So we have our b is equal to 3 raised to y, 3 times y, and then we have y here raised to 3. Then it should be our r is 3. b raised to r is 3. So we have now t 3 plus 1 is equal to 6 taken 3 multiplied by a, which is 2x squared raised to 6 minus 3 multiplied by 3y, negative 3y raised to 3. Then we have 6 taken 3 is 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial. The difference multiplied by, we have 2x squared raised to 3 multiplied by negative 3 raised to 3 multiplied by y raised to 3. And then we have 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 factorial divided by 3 times 2 times 1 multiplied by 3 factorial. That is 1, and that is also 1. And then we have, this is now multiplied by 2 raised to 3 x raised to 6 multiplied by negative 27 y raised to 3. Then we have 20 multiplied by 8 multiplied by negative 27 x raised to 6 y raised to 3. And then 160 multiplied by 27, that is negative 4,320 x raised to 6 y raised to 3. Okay, some more example. Find the constant term in the expansion of this one. So we have our a once again, that's x. Our b is equal to 2 divided by x squared. Our n is equal to 15. So t r plus 1, our r, we don't know yet, okay, is equal to 15 taken r, and then we have x raised to 15 minus r multiplied by 2 divided by x squared raised to r. And this one we can find when that one is equal to 0, because it is the constant term that we want. X is equal to 0. So if we have now, I'm going to put it here, x raised to 15 minus r, or write it here, multiplied by 2 raised to r divided by multiplied by x raised to negative 2 raised to, this one is x raised to negative 2 raised to r raised to r. Then we have x raised to 15 minus r. If I'm going to write 2 raised to r now here, because that's a coefficient also, multiplied by x raised to negative 2r. And that's and then we have 2 raised to r multiplied by x raised to 15 minus 3r. This one. Okay, Then I'm going to put it here now. 15 take an r multiplied by x raised to 2 first. 2 raised to r multiplied by x raised to 15 minus 3r. And then x raised to 15 minus 3r, that is supposed to be constant, x raised to 0. And then we have 15 minus 3r is equal to 0. And then we have 15 is equal to 3r. And then r is equal to 5. So we have now 15 taken 5. 2 raised to 5 multiplied by x raised to 0. That's supposed to be 0. And then we have 15 factorial divided by 5 factorial multiplied by the difference 10 factorial is multiplied by 32. And then we have 15 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 13, 12, 11, 10 factorial divided by 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 multiplied by 10 factorial. So that's 1 multiplied by 32. And then we have 15 there. That's 1. And then we have 8. Yes, we have 8 here also. This is 8 times 4. That's 32. So we have 8 there. So we have 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 4. Then we have 96,096. I think I'm going to stop there, and the reason why is that in my next example, it is a different one. It is related to my previous examples, but a different one. So I want to do it in my next video. So I hope you will be there also to watch my next video. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you then.